you have to group together. You come up with the answer.
no, wait.
That's why. Have you
No.
seen Harvey?
Let's go. What? Let's go. Let's go.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Congratulations.
Hey.
Shout out sa tropa dyan.
Matatangkad sa harap.
Ano ba yan?
Hello.
Hello!
shout out.
Okay, come. Okay. Drive safely.
Ano na lang, puro McGriddle na lang. Kanan dito, di ba?
Kanan. Yung mga bahay dito.
2,000 years later.
Ayun mga guys. Hintay lang kami ng pagkain. So,
Ang
dito lang
agenda.
kami sa Jollibee mga guys.
Naka-play na to? Time check.
Time check tayo.
Time check 10:16. Ayos yung weather ngayon natin, no? Di nga nang ganun kahangin. Goods na din. Yeah, time check 10:17.
Puro time check.
Pero kailan time check na to?
Dito ko.
Leftovers.
Kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway sa vlog.
Taas ang kamay.
Ayun, nagtata mo yung Jollibee natin.
One eternity later.
Sa kaliwa to, no? Ayun. Next stop, Pagas na.
Mag-riddle mo.
Kaunting kembot na lang diretso na kami. Ay,
Doon ka na sa kabila.
ilang oras yung ano natin biyahe? 3 hours. 3 hours and 17 minutes.
We are...
Ayun lang.
Later.
Sa'yo, no? Time check 10:34. Highway na kami. On the way to Eagle Rock.
Yung katapat, pero narito kami sa 80 West. 30 miles to go to I-80 West, let's go there to where water.
Sabi mo kay George, slow down.
So, kaunahan kayo, Lurlin. Ha?
Yan,
Kaunahan kayo.
na sila.
Kasama namin sila, Buboy.
So sabi,
So, tinunta namin natin ito. Kevin tayo. Okay.
Okay.
Pahinga muna. Bathroom break.
First bite.
Video picture.
Nakasunod kami sa inyo. Tapos, nalampasan tayo. Sa taas kami po, ng bridge.
Kala ko wala si ano,
Kaya lumampas kami sa inyo.
Nagpunta kayo
Oo, kasi tapos nakita namin din sila papunta na rin sila doon. Sabay-sabay.
Ano yan?
Teka, bakit tayo ba?
Meron din dito noon. Kaya alam ko meron sila dito. Oo, boating tayo. Ako hanggang ngayon nandito pa yung mga pictures ko.
Ayan o, memories o. Nagsakay si George sa kabayo.
Saan tayo pupunta?
I know.
Ikaw may linggo na nag-ano sa ano.
One eternity later.
Thank you. Thank you, hon.
Ganda naman pala dito. Ganda ng bahay sa Japan, guys.
Dito pala dapat tayo lumiko, hindi doon sa una.
Okay, nasa Eagle Rock na po tayo. Papunta po tayo ng lake.
Saan yung sign
Ano, panorama.
Ayan.
Okay.
Panorama tayo.
Panorama. Isang ikot gate na
Yan
naman.
na talaga yun.
What's panorama?
Yan yung may view.
Oh, ito yung resort ah. Ito guys, video natin para alam natin kung
Dinadaanan natin eh, paulit-ulit lang.
Masyado kang mareklamo, gusto mo na umuwi?
Hindi ko makita pagkaliit naman itong mapa na to.
Isa ka pa eh!
Maliligaw ka dito.
Diba? So kahit anong gawin mo, maliligaw ka. Ang purpose talaga nung
Ito na yun.
pare-pareho yung design para malito ka. Nandito na po tayo sa lake.
Golf course pa lang.
oh, gold course pa rin.
Salons, spa, salon, fitness. Yeah, it's the right.
Ito na, mukhang lake na talaga.
I think.
Dito muna tayo sa golf.
Sila mag-guide. Ang init.
Yan, malapit na. Ay, dyan sa baba na yan. Dyan na yung lake.
No, yung lodge.
Oh!
Yan, diba
Pasok
pa-picture ka
tayo
sa
dun.
likod. Pasok.
Laki.
What do you mean by that?
Yun, driver.
Pa-picture tayo ulit doon. After 10 years.
Nice.
Eventually.
Hindi na raw uso ngayon ng Marites.
Ano na?
Era.
Ano naman yun?
Pakialamera. Solsolera.
Anong gagawin dyan, tita?
Salad. Na may gulay naman daw. Sorry, you're the youngest, so you know.
Sinigang, adobo, or karagana, which one are you gonna get rid of and never eat?
I'm gonna give up adobo. Even though it's my favorite.
Kare-kares like the...
So you get rid of it?
No, I get rid of adobo.
What about karagana, adobo, or sinigang?
Oh, kare-kares out. Sinigang is... To me. Okay.
The Tinignan Ba Kaibigan vlog.
Ask the question.
2,000 years later.
Mariana means dinner?
I have kinship.
Mariana means dinner or just food? No, what's dinner in Tagalog? Oh,
What's merienda? It's food. It's snack. It's snack. Okay, okay.
Nice job, team.
Chef wheels. Oh, nerd. Walang one.
Kala mo trophy eh, no? Malaki pa eh. I want you on my team. Ito lang po. And enjoy the show.
Tomorrow.
No, you have to introduce your teammates pala. Alright, question. Magbigay ng salitang maaaring ipanganap sa amin in English. Describe a banana. Wala na. 30 seconds pass.
30 seconds already!
Yeah.
That was 30 seconds?
That was 30 seconds.
Next. Yellow. 3.
Yellow. Yellow, okay. Alright, to the George. Magbigay ng salitang maaaring ipanglarawan sa saging.
Pagkain ng monkey.
Yeah, okay. Pagkain ng monkey. Monkey food. Saging. Ito, Oscar. Magbigay ng salitang maaaring ipanglarawan sa saging. Describe.
Matamis.
Okay. So, George. Magbigay ng salitang hinog.
Yes!
Hinog or rice?
Hell no,
Is it
no. They get one right, then they take all the points.
Yep, that's true.
10
Okay.
seconds.
And then you don't need to start.
That's a question now. You
No.
have enough
No,
time.
one.
You give me enough time. That's not fair. 1,
2,
2, 3.
No, wait. I need to. Hold on.
Stop! Sabi ko na stop!
So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna ask each one what the answer is. Answer na tingin nila tama. And then the leader will pick the final answer.
Yeah.
That's how Family Feud is.
Group together,
Yeah,
come up
they
with
would-
one answer,
they
and
would-
that's their answer.
They would group together, then I would go one by one per contestant. And
They will do that.
That's the way we're gonna do it.
Okay. The team leader pala. Me. Paglalambing, magbigay ng salita maaaring ipanglarawan sa saging.
1, 2,
Malambot.
3.
Talita.
1, 2, 3. 1 or 2, 3.
Oh yeah, that's good. How would you describe a banana? Soft. Ita, Ramon? Sarap. Masarap. Alright, final answer.
Malambot.
Malambot. Okay. Okay.
That's not fair. That's not. By the time people reaches this, they were already able to come up with it based on the. No, you have to group together, come up with the answer, and then 10 seconds, you come up with the answer. No, that's why. Have you ever seen Harvey?
Daddy, chill.
Okay, second round.
That's how they do. That's the way.
Alright, second round.
No.
No, here's on your chest. The second question would be whoever gets the top answer would go with this round, alright? Fill in the blank. Hands on your chest! Fill in the blank. Mahirap maging...
Mayaman?
Sabi mo? Would you say mayaman? Is mayaman on the board? No. Tita Rita. No, you can't. Mahirap maging... Alright.
Play. This is easy.
Alright, Georgia. Right? No,
You can't convene anymore. You can't.
You can't compete anymore. Fill in the blank. It's really hard to be smart. Is smart on the board. Mahirap maging matalino. No. There's not fill in the blank. Mahirap maging mataba. No. Okay, 2 X's. This is when you start to think. Ellie, 1 more X and they'll get the round. Fill in the blank. It's really hard to be.
No, coaching.
Did they get it or not?
Oh, was tall in there? But it wasn't in there. She passed the time. Okay, your turn to steal. Wait, hold on. I want to ask everyone. Mahirap maging? Stupid. Ito, Oscar. Pogi. Okay? Short. June, mahirap maging? Walang pera. Your answer will determine this round. What is your pick? Mahirap maging?
What did he say?
That's the answer. Listen, when the ladies stalled around earlier, I asked the leader what the final answer of the group is. That's the same thing with you.
What's the final answer?
I said, regardless, you're the team leader and your final is 18.
It's a
Alright, you go on the board. Is your name on the board? No, no, on the board. So what is the top answer? Pogi. What is the number 2? Mahirap maging mahirap. The number 3 answer is mahirap maging mabait. The last is mahirap maging single.
Kenchana,
The third question, whoever gets the top answer will go with this round. Give me a vegetable that isn't green. Who got it? Georgia. Eggplant. Is it on the board?
Oh, that's number 2.
Okay, that's number 2. This is the top answer. You get to guess the top answer. What's the top answer?
Carrot.
Carrot on the board.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
The men will play.
Yeah,
Choose
okay.
to
Oh,
play.
you play.
Sorry.
Obviously. Dito. Give me a vegetable that's not green.
Kamatis.
Kamatis. Lord, Oscar. Vegetable that's not green.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out.
What did you answer?
Alright, Judge. Gulay na hindi green. Ginger. It's your turn. Alright, 1 by 1. Kita lang muna.
Potato.
You listen. Give me a vegetable for you. Potato. Green pepper.
What?
Green pepper.
Green pepper.
Answer and the final answer will gonna be E.
Beef is beef on the board.
That's not a pro.
Alright.
Men.
So but the third answer is and the last one is Kamas. Alright, so the fourth question. Magbigay ng tunog, ginagawa ng katawan ng tao. A sound that your body makes. Tito Cynthia. Fart! Or utot. Top answer. Tito Cynthia, pass or play? Play. The sound that your body makes. It's bird on the board. Oh, number 2. Okay, Carlita, for the win. Just snore on the board.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
We're not leading your friends tomorrow.
Alright, for the fifth question. Mga bagay na sinusubo.
Wait, English. English first.
We need to skip this. For this question, I thought it was funny. Bigay, mga bagay na sinusubo na pero di nilunok. Things that you put in your mouth but you don't swallow. Yes! Bubble gum.
I know the hard answer.
On the board. Okay, bubble gum. Okay.
You always play.
Mga bagay na sinusubo pero di nilulunok.
With the ball pen.
Ballpen. Pero di nilulunok.
Wow.
Number 1. Bagay na sinusubo pero di nilulunok. No! Okay.
Alec, can you go downstairs, please?
Cheers!
Downstairs.
Chopsticks! Is it on the board? Judge, bagay na sinusubo pero di nilulunok. Lollipop.
Time to steal.
Mga bagay na sinusubo pero hindi nilulunok. Seeds. Kita. Buto daw, seeds. Seeds ka rin? Alright, seeds din si Kita Rita. Jordan. Cherry dip.
What?
Hey,
Toothpaste. Alright, give me one. Straw. Nakita mo muna? Fork. Kita Rita, what's the bagay na sinusubo pero di nilulunok. Fruit seed. Is it on the floor? Fruit seed. Kapag nandito ko sa floor. Third answer. Buto. Okay, seed in Tagalog is binihi.
Not buto ka.
Yeah, the timer will start after I finish asking the question, alright? Malamig na inumin.
Soda.
Alright, soda. Bagay na sinusuot sa leeg.
Necklace.
Necklace. Kung mag-isa ka lang, anong ginagawa mo sa kama?
Tulog.
Tutulog. Pagkain magsisimula sa letter S.
Spaghetti.
Magbigay ng driver's violation.
Let's go!
Saan makikita ang buong pangalan ng isang tao?
Sa ID.
Let's
go!
The first answer is soda.
Soda.
Okay lang marinig.
Mga bagay na sinusuot sa leeg.
Hindi. 30.
Nerys! Yay! Kung mag-isa ka lang, anong ginagawa mo sa kama?
Tulog. Let's go!
Yeah! Pagkain nagsisimula sa
100.
He said spaghetti.
Second top.
Magbigay ng driver's
30.
violation. Wala speeding. Saan makikita ang buong pangalan ng isang tao?
ID.
155.
Okay, 150.
Whoa!
Narinig mo to. Ibig sabihin na sagot na. Okay. First question. Malamig na inumin.
Gulaman?
Gulaman. Bagay na sinusuot sa leeg.
Necklace? Pass.
Pass. Kung mag-isa ka lang, anong ginagawa mo sa kama?
Sa Facebook?
Okay? Nag-Facebook or sa
You Jesus.
Ay, Jesus. Pagkain na sisimula sa letter S.
Pagkain?
Pagkain
Sinigang?
Sinigang.
Good answer, good answer.
Magbigay ng driver's violation. Why?
Beating the red light?
Eating the red light. Saan makikita ang buong pangalan ng isang tao?
8, 7,
Sa ID?
5,
Pero kung skip, bagay na sinusuot sa leeg.
3,
ID is
1.
Okay, ideal. It's it. So you missed
Oh!
Mali mo yun!
10 seconds.
Wala na rin oras eh.
Give.
Kasi hold on. Dito sa lahat, maingay kayong lahat. I could hardly hear him.
Okay.
So
Wala,
it's my fault na hindi ko siya marinig.
Quiet!
Kung sinabi niya yung ID, it's 10
10.
seconds to go. So,
Okay, 10
you have to
seconds.
reset it 10
Okay, 10
seconds.
seconds.
Ayan na.
Alright, 10 seconds, Aton. Saan makikita ang buong pangalan ng isang tao?
Pass.
Sagot
Bakit?
mo.
Wala na, ikaw
One.
na.
Yan.
45 lang ang kailangan. Malay niyo itong sagot.
Okay lang.
Yeah, okay.
Kukunin ko yung pang-blood pressure.
You will reveal the answers now. Malamig na inumin. June's answer was? Gulaman. Nakuha ni George yung top answer, which is soda.
Gulaman.
There? Bagay na sinusuot sa leeg.
Zero.
June you miss that, the top answer is necktie. Followed by necklace. Kung mag-isa ka lang, anong ginagawa mo sa kama? June's answer was Facebook. Saan makikita ang buong pangalan ng isang tao? Top answer is birth certificate, 45, and then driver's license ID, 25. Alright. Okay.
He got 70 points. So the total is 225. So you got the 10.
Each of you got a second candle.
Candle. Ay gagamitin niyo mamaya kasi outside di ko lang po kayo.